Welcome to this complete course playlist on Microsoft Configuration Manager, where you will learn everything about managing the devices in enterprise environment. As I discussed earlier in a video, that the small scale organizations or the cloud first companies rely on cloud based solutions for device management like Microsoft Intune, but the medium scale organizations or enterprises still use the Microsoft's Configuration Manager, which was formerly known as System Center Configuration Manager or SCCM, for their device management and security. This presentation covers the structure of the Microsoft Configuration Manager course, which includes the modules, key skills that you will develop. We will also identify the target audience and prerequisites to help you prepare effectively for this course. The course is divided into the focused modules that cover various aspects of the Microsoft Configuration Manager, which provides you the structured and progressive learning experience. By completing this course, you will acquire the essential skills like device management, application deployment, operating system deployment, and the security compliance using the Configuration Manager. This course is designed for IT professionals, system administrators, and anyone who is interested in mastering the Configuration Manager. Basic knowledge of networking and Windows operating systems is recommended. In this section, we will introduce the main topics and modules that make up the playlist, providing a clear roadmap of what to expect and how each module contributes to your overall knowledge. This module focuses on managing the devices and deploying the applications efficiently using the Microsoft Configuration Manager, ensuring the streamlined operations across your IT environment. You will learn how to deploy the operating systems across multiple devices using standardized processes that reduce the manual efforts and improve the consistency. In security and compliance management, we will explore how to enforce the security policies and maintain the compliance across managed devices, protecting your organization's infrastructure and the data. To conclude, this course playlist offers a comprehensive journey through Microsoft Configuration Manager. It equips you with the knowledge to manage devices, deploy the softwares, and enforce the security effectively. This brings to the end of this video, and I see you in the next video of this playlist. Stay tuned and do subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed it yet. Thank you.